So as you might expect for this time of year in Chicago, we've recently had a lot of snow. So we thought it might be a good idea for our business owner clients to address the issue of what their responsibilities are for snow and ice removal and when they might be held liable for slip and fall accidents on their business property. The law in Illinois does not require anyone to remove snow or ice from their property. So in fact, you are perfectly within your rights to just leave whatever snow or ice might fall and not go out of your way or go to the expense of removing those things from your property. Of course, that doesn't make a lot of sense, especially if you expect clients or customers to visit you. You certainly want to accommodate their needs and make it as easy as possible for them to come visit your business. So then the next question is, if you do decide to remove snow or ice, can you be held liable? In Illinois, we follow what is called the natural accumulation rule. What that means is that a business owner cannot be held liable for a slip and fall accident which occurs as a result of the natural accumulation of snow and ice. So even if you are removing snow from the entryway to your building, there's no obligation that you run out there immediately and get it done as quickly as possible. And if it just naturally accumulates and somebody becomes injured, you don't have liability for that. Where you can become liable is for unnatural accumulations of ice and snow. So for example, if you have defective gutters or a leak that's coming in off of a roof or a leak in a doorway in an area that is commonly trafficked, you could have some liability if you don't get those items fixed promptly and you allow for unnatural accumulations of ice or snow to accumulate in those areas. So the key, we believe, is for business owners to be diligent about removing snow and ice, to make repairs to defective roofs, doorways, and entryways if they have those. So there's to not allow snow or ice to accumulate where somebody would not expect them. To make sure that the mats or rugs that you might have down in your entryways are regularly cleaned and kept reasonably dry as necessary. And also the biggest piece of advice that we can give to any of our business owner clients is to always have good liability insurance in place. Because even if you are doing what the law requires you to do, that doesn't mean that somebody may come on your property, slip and fall, and look to be suing somebody for whatever injuries they might sustain. So always review with your insurance agent whether you have adequate coverage to protect you in the event of an injury. If you have any questions about what your responsibilities are as a business property owner in dealing with snow and ice on your property, feel free to give us a call here at 847-599-9101.